In this video, I am going to show you how to create a new Gmail account. For this, you need to open your favorite or a browser, which one you preferred. On the address bar, type www.gmail.com. Then press enter. When the home page of Gmail loads, it will show create an account outlined as below like this. Click on the create an account option. Now here you will have to fill out the information like your first name and surname. Then click on next button. Here you will have to fill your date of birth. Now you have to choose your gender and click on next button. Here Gmail are showing some suggestions for your Gmail account. If you want to choose, you can choose. If you don't want to choose and you will have to create your own Gmail account, you will have to click on create your own Gmail address. Then type your email address, which one you want to create, and then click on next. Here you will have to type your strong password, re-enter your password and click on next button. Here you can add recovery email. If you want to add, you can type here. If you don't want to add, you can skip here. You need to add phone number here. If you want to add your phone number, you can type here and then next. Otherwise, you will have to skip it. Review your account info and click on next button. Google will show privacy and terms. Accept all the terms and click I agree. Now your Gmail is fully activated and ready to use. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.